Hi all, I'm trying to make a small video over here um, on how to scan for stocks for a bullish move on the intraday time frame or swing and positional time frame as well. So basically we are going to be using a screener. Prior to me proceeding, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. I'm making this video a second time because the first time the Excel sheet part did not come. So I'm trying to redo it once again. Let's see whether it works this time. All right. So what we'll do is we'll go to Scanx by Dhan. Let me see if the video capturing software is catching it. I think it is. So first I'll show you a screen that I'm already using. So we'll go to screeners. I have my saved screeners. My is my screener. In this screen, I've basically only selected companies. If you see over here, that are over 4 lakh crores. So the only screen that has been used is maximum, and don't show me companies. I just dragged this and brought it till here. So it's not showing me anything below 4 lakh 18,000 crores. So from 4 lakh 18,000 crores to 17 lakh 71,000 crores, which is the upper end, all companies are shown. The companies that fall in that categories are so much. There are about 12-13 companies that fall in. Let me just show you the screen once again. So this is the company. As you can see, highest is Reliance at 17 lakh crores. Then Tata Consultancy, which is at 15 lakh 75,000 crores, so on and so forth. So here you can see only one company, which is ITC. For 1 week, it has seen a small downturn. That's because we're expecting the taxes to go up for cigarettes, or the street is expecting the taxes by the government to go up on cigarettes. Apart from that, you can see during the whole week, most of these stocks were bullish. This will give you a general trend. If the 12-13 top stocks of your country are doing well, that means the index is doing well, because these are heavyweights on the index. I'll keep checking during the video whether things are getting recorded or not, because in the last bit, the Excel part was not recorded. Okay, so how do we formulate our own screen? On this video, I'm going to be focusing on the S3, R3 breakout, S3 support. It should not be called breakout, actually. It should be called breakdown. So fundamental screen, on this screen, I don't find S3, R3. When I go to the technical screen, I find over here R3 resistance breakout and S3 support breakouts. This should actually be called S3 support breakdowns, because when the S3 support at the bottom breaks down, then the stock remains bearish for quite some time. Same is the case with R3 resistance breakout. When the breakout happens on top, the stock generally stays on top for a while. All right. So in this instance, what we will do is we'll click on this R3 resistance breakout. You get a list of companies that are currently there showing an R3 breakout at the top end. So this is at the right hand side corner, you can see this is standard R3. I would want to add an Fibonacci R3, so I'll customize this. I'll click on this customize button. I'll click on add filters from here. It's not under universe. It's not over here in price and volumes. In technical indicators, yes, R3 resistance breakout is in technical indicators. I'll click on this standard. It's already showing me. I'll add a Fibonacci and I'll click on apply. Now you can see it's added a Fibonacci as well. So and so forth. You can add so many filters are there. Growth, income statement, financial ratios, whatever you want to see, you can just add and apply. I just want to keep it simple for this example. So I've added the Fibonacci R3, and the standard S3 is already over here. At this point of time, I'll again click on market cap, because I want the highest market cap to be shown to me on top. I don't want to see companies with very little market cap, because the traded volume every day will be very little, and basically the liquidity will be less. Now I want to do my additional filtration on an Excel sheet. So what I'll do is I'll click on this download button. It's over here. All right, I'll click on this download, and you can see over here this is now downloaded. I'll open this file. It opens in an Excel. This is the part I did not record in the last bit. I think it's recording in this bit. So now I've bought everything in Excel. I'll just keep checking whether it's recording or not. Seems to be recording. So now what do I have on my screen? I've got the companies that are breaken out of R3. First, I'll bring the S3 and R3 together. So the S3 is over here, R3 is over here. I'll click on this R3 column and I'll select cut. I'll bring it next to the S3, insert. So now S3 and R3 are together. I'll select both of these and I'll again cut, and I'll bring it next to the last traded price. Insert cut cell. So now you can see that, for example, Titan current price is 3441, which is above the S3. The S3 standard S3 is 3430, so 11 rupees above the standard S3, and the Fibonacci is R3, sorry, standard R3, and the Fibonacci R3 is 3406, so it's definitely above that by about how much? 35 rupees, I think. Same is the case with the Zomato. The standard R3 is at 293, it's currently at 299, and the Fib R3 is at 290, it's above that definitely. So these companies I have broken out of the standard and Fibonacci R3 levels, which is a very positive sign. That means these companies are going to do well in my view, or at least there is a very bullish sentiment in the market with regards to these companies. Again, I don't want to see companies in this list also with low market capitalization. So I'll just select this and I'll say data sort, and I'll sort. My data has headers, and I'll sort with market cap. I want to see largest to smallest. This is a market cap column, largest to smallest, and I don't want to see anything that is below 20,000 crores. So I'll delete all of this. All right. That's it. Now you have a list of companies, 14 companies, which are all well-known companies in my view. Some of them I probably have never heard of. No, actually I've heard of everything. There's no unknown in this list. They have got a decent market capitalization. The PE ratios are given over here. 1 week, as you can see, none of the stocks are in red for the last 1 week. All of them have gone up in the last 1 week. Indraprasth Gas has gone up by 20% in 1 week. What stock is this? CDSL has gone up by 16% in a week. BSE has gone up 13% in a week. This CDSL, I remember, was some year or two back. It was at like 600-700 rupees. From there, it has gone up 10 times. What an investment it would have been. Tube Investments, Vare Energies, Bosch, Zomato, Titan, all of these are well-known stocks. You can also see the FII holding in this column. I'll keep checking if the Excel sheet is being recorded. I think it is being recorded. You can see the FII section in this column. CDSL is the only company which has got zero FII holding, and I think BSE also has got very, very small FII holding. It's your choice whether you want to have companies with FII holding or not. FII is foreign institutional investors. Yearly revenue is given over here. All right. 1 week change, PE ratio, volume, that is today's volume. So you can see all of these stocks are very, very liquid stock. The liquidity in MRF is less because it's a 1,30,000 rupee stock. So definitely it's going to be less compared to others. If they split the stock and bring the price down, then the liquidity will be at another level altogether. This is today's change, how much change it saw today. You can see some of them, CDSL has gone up by 7.99% or close to 8% today itself. This particular BSC has gone up 13% today. Wow. Day price changes. The amount it went up today is given over here. MRF has gone up by 3,920 rupees today itself. Just imagine. All right, so you pretty much get the view. Then you just got to copy this and bring it into your trading platform. So over here, I had bought it into. This was my stocks for yesterday till Finolex cables, and then today I've added from that list Titan, Zomato. I've already added in the previous video that I had made on the same thing. So all you see from starting from Titan till Castrol over here in this list is now added onto that particular trading view platform sheet, which I had done in the previous video. Unfortunately, that did not get recorded. Till this Finolex cable is from yesterday. These stocks from HDFC Bank to Finolex cables were from yesterday. And as you can see, Finolex cables on the daily chart, it seems to be a nice down phase is over. And the last 2 days, this Finolex cable is gone up. And it's gone up by 170 plus rupees in 2 days itself. All right. Now that on a stock which is 1,300, 1,200, it would have been that time, is like more than 10% up in 2 days. So phenomenal. You can see this Bajaj FinServ also. This was in my R3 list from yesterday. Again, this R3 is working on a daily time frame. That's over here. So don't discount this. This is only for my reference. In this sheet on the daily time frame, I've kept pivot R3 and S3 at the bottom. Daily would look differently, so don't focus on this too much. But you can see Bajaj FinServ is going above this pivot level. If you look at it on the maybe a 2-hour time frame, you'll see that it's already gone above the pivot and it's climbing. If you look at it on the 1-hour time frame, as you keep going lower, you will find it doing better and better and better and better. All right. So what are the indicators working on this sheet? I'm working with the custom Fibonacci, which is how do you design custom Fibonacci levels. This video is available on my in the member area. So if you want to know how to use this custom Fibonacci levels, and it's automated, so you don't have to do anything. Every time I select, when I shift from day to week, it'll automatically calculate everything and tell me what the fib levels are. If you want to learn that, then try and become a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. Apart from that, I'm using 1 or 2 more indicators. That's about it. The 2 lines that you see on screen are simple moving averages. One is 34 and the other is 55. 34 is based on CMEMA trend bars in TradingView, and 55 is based on NSDT HAMA. It's as simple as that. This is how I do my analysis and find stocks that are looking bullish to me. This was from year to year was the R3 list yesterday, and from this Titan to Angel One or Castrol is from the list today. And I'll sit now and relax and see how these stocks are doing. I'll make a game plan after this, but this basically just shows me. Look at this Castrol also. It's seen a dive from here till here, and now it's going up again. 99 rupees drop it's seen, and it's going up again. So from 284 it had come down to 184, and now it's climbing again. So stuff like this, if you want to find bullish stocks either for intraday, these are better for swing and positional if you're wanting to hold it for a couple of days and sell. But even intraday it can work for you, depends on how good you are when it comes to your intraday calls. So these are basically stocks that are currently under a very bullish kind of a phase. Look at this Paytm. It's gone up from 300 levels to 955 levels. It's in a complete bullish trend. So all these stocks are completely bullish right now. This is showing me yesterday's and today's list. If I want to delete yesterday's list, I'll have to delete from this HDFC till this Phoenix cables. If I delete, that is yesterday's list gone out. For now, I'm not deleting, but I've just added today's list as well. All right. Let me just recheck if the video is being recorded. I think it's being recorded. So that's how I do it, guys. It's very simple. I'm using Scanx on Dhan. To log into Scanx by Dhan, just Google it and then use your same Dhan credentials to log into Scanx. And you can run the similar filters. If you want to find stocks for shorting, then look at the S3 breakouts. S3 breakouts are the ones that are breaking the S3 level at the bottom, this level at the bottom. And R3 breakouts are the ones that are breaking the R3 levels on top. All right. So for this video, I have selected the bullish ones, and you saw basically how I'm using the screener, how I've arrived at those 12-15 stocks that I have. And I want to basically deal with stocks that are currently looking very bullish. And I've just shown you how to filter it down and bring it to your trading platform. All right. On that note, I'll end this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video I don't have to record again. I hope not. I hope this video brings some value to you. If you're already a subscriber, consider becoming a member on the channel by clicking on the join button. There are some videos that are specifically for our members. Those are high value content. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Please give this video a like or a thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel as well. The link is given in the description in all our videos. Also, if you want to buy TradingView, this is the right time. The Cyber Monday sale is on. They're giving you the same discounts that they were giving you in Black Friday sale. You get 12 months plus 1 month. So instead of 12, you get 13 months. Use our referral code. Our referral code is given in the description in all our videos. If you use our referral code, you will get some few points. We'll get some few points that we can redeem next year while we are renewing our services. Currently, the best rates possible for TradingView are on during the sale months. In 2 or 3 days this will change, and for the rest of the year it'll be more than double of what it's being offered right now on, and you will not even get that extra month. All right, so every year whoever is using TradingView for a long time, they all renew their subscription during the Black Friday or the Cyber Monday sale. Right now that period is on. I think Cyber Monday sale will end in the next 24 or 36 hours. So if you want to buy TradingView, this is the time. My suggestion would be to go in for the premium plan. That is the most value for money plan. All right, thanks again guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.